Hello! In this tutorial, we'll go through the process of manipulating darts on a basic circular pattern. This is a continuation of the previous basic bodice pattern tutorial, so please check that first and follow along. Let's start with a neckline dart. First, bring the basic block from the draping board. Using the curve tool, draw a line from the front neck point to the bust point. Select the existing dart line and merge it. Sew the created neckline dart using the sewing tool. And run the simulation to see how the dart is shifted toward the neckline. Once it's properly fitted, add it to the draping board. Rename it as Neckline Dart. Next, let's transform it into a shoulder dart. Bring the basic block from the draping board again. This time, select the shoulder line and split it in half. Use the shortcut Q to draw a line from the split point to the BP. Close the existing dart using the shortcut C. Run the simulation to check the fit. If it looks good, add it to the draping board and rename it as Shoulder Dart. For the armhole dart, follow the same process. Bring the basic block from the draping board. Draw a line from the armhole notch to the BP and close the existing dart. Check the fit through simulation, then add it to the draping board and rename it as Armhole Dart. Lastly, follow the same process. Bring the basic block from the draping board. Draw a vertical line from the BP to waistline. Close the existing dart. Check the fit through simulation. Then add it to the draping board and rename it as Waist Dart. That's it. We've gone through the process of manipulating dart. If there are any questions, please comment. Thanks for watching.